There was a time in my life when anger felt like power, not just an emotion, but a weapon, a shield. I used to get triggered by small things, lash out, and deep down I felt stronger when people feared me. They used to say, "Don't mess with this girl, she is very dangerous when she is angry," and I believed maybe that's the only way to feel safe in this world. So, if you have ever felt like that your anger makes you powerful or protects you, just pause and ask yourself, what's hiding beneath that anger? Is it pain? Is it fear? Or is it a need to be heard? Because deep down, I was scared. Scared of the future, scared of marriage, scared of being dominated. People around me, society, and even elders kept warning me that if I didn't behave in a certain way, if I didn't cook, if I didn't adjust, my in laws might torture me, my husband might harm me. And those words built fear in me, a fear that turned into anger, my self defense. If people fear me, they won't hurt me. If I dominate first, no one can dominate me. And maybe someone told you scary stories too about the future, about how you should be, and you have started creating walls out of fear. If you have started creating those walls, you are not alone. But just ask yourself, are those walls still protecting you, or are they isolating you from your softness? Maybe you have just reached to the point where the anger just feels heavy, like it's no longer serving you. If yes, trust that it's okay to evolve. You are allowed to be in your softer, freer version of yourself like I did. When I became aware of why I get angry, my fear, and everything, I started healing myself. I let go of my anger, and the anger that once protected me is no longer who I want to be. So you can do it too. And yes, old patterns, old thoughts, comebacks, the anger comebacks. But I realized that these are just old patterns knocking my door, testing my choice to live differently now. Old pattern doesn't mean you have failed. They mean that you are ready to deepen your feeling. So the next time you get triggered, pause, observe, and choose differently, like I did, like I choose peace. Not weakness, not silence, but the kind of peace that comes from inner strength, knowing that you don't need to scare people to feel safe. I just need to trust myself. And maybe you need to hear this too. You don't need to shout to be respected. You don't need to be feared to feel safe. Your softness can be your greatest strength. Now I honor my past, but I'm no longer living in it. I'm moving forward not with fear, but with a calm power and softness that doesn't apologize. And you can do the same. Honor who you were, but be proud of who you are becoming. And most importantly, give yourself permission to be at peace.